we have these back muscles, and we have the longissimus dorsi that comes all the way down here. And we have the latissimus dorsi that kind of comes this way. And we have our iliocostal muscles that are along the line of the spine. And then we also have our intercostal muscles. And on the other side, his intercostal muscles were definitely a little tight. And so he's feeling that right now. He's showing that in his mouth. So we're kind of just releasing that area slowly. Oh, good boy. Finding those intercostal muscles. You have tight intercostal muscles, your ribs. Their ribs can kind of look out of alignment. But if you release those intercostal muscles, a lot of times those ribs will go back into place, or they'll just function better. And then also, the intercostal muscles deal with breathing. So if you have it too tight in between the ribs, they can actually just not be able to breathe as well. So that's also a sign of holding all that tension in.